Are you ready to upgrade your PC cooling while turning your setup into a vibrant light show? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 140mm RGB PC case fans. These fans not only keep your rig cool but also bring your aesthetic game to the next level. Let's explore the pros and cons to help you pick the perfect fan for your build. At number 5, we have the Thermaltake CT140 EX 140mm RGB PC case fan. The Thermaltake CT140 EX 140mm RGB PC case fan is a popular choice among PC enthusiasts looking to enhance both the performance and aesthetics of their systems. With its unique design and advanced features, this fan promises to deliver a balance of functionality and style. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Thermaltake CT140 EX. Pros: reversed blades design for enhanced aesthetics. One of the standout features of the Thermaltake CT140 EX is its reversed blades design. This ensures that the RGB lighting is visible from different airflow directions, allowing users to enjoy vibrant lighting effects without compromising on performance. Whether you're building a showpiece PC or simply want to add a touch of flair to your setup, this design makes the fan a visually appealing choice. MagForce 2.0 technology for easy installation. The inclusion of MagForce 2.0 technology is a significant advantage for users who value convenience. The magnetic connections with larger contact pads make installation quick and hassle-free. This feature not only saves time but also ensures a secure and reliable connection, reducing the risk of installation errors. High performance with low noise levels. The Thermaltake CT140 EX delivers impressive performance with an airflow of 94.95 CFM and a static pressure of 2.54 mm H2O. These specifications make it suitable for both general cooling and more demanding tasks, such as cooling radiators or high-performance components. Despite its powerful performance, the fan operates at a low noise level of 32 dBA, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment. Comprehensive RGB customization. With 9 addressable LEDs and compatibility with major motherboard sync software, the Thermaltake CT140 EX offers extensive RGB customization options. Users can easily synchronize the fan's lighting with other components in their system, creating a cohesive and visually stunning setup. This level of customization is a major selling point for RGB enthusiasts. Cons: limited focus on airflow optimization. While the fan offers solid performance, its focus on RGB lighting and aesthetics may come at the expense of airflow optimization. Users who prioritize maximum cooling efficiency over visual appeal might find other fans better suited to their needs. The Thermaltake CT140 EX 140mm RGB PC case fan is a well-rounded product that combines performance, aesthetics, and ease of use. Its reversed blades design, MagForce 2.0 technology, and comprehensive RGB control make it an attractive option for users looking to enhance their PC's visual appeal while maintaining reliable cooling performance. Next up, at number 4, we have the InWin Neptune in 140mm RGB PC case fan. The InWin Neptune in 140mm RGB PC case fan is a sleek and innovative cooling solution designed for PC enthusiasts who prioritize both performance and aesthetics. With its advanced turbine blade design, PWM functionality, and RGB lighting, this fan promises to deliver efficient airflow while maintaining a quiet operation. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the InWin Neptune A940. Pros: efficient airflow with turbine blade design. The Neptune N140 features InWin's signature turbine blade design, which molds the fan blades into the frame. This unique construction creates a more concentrated airflow, reducing air leakage and ensuring that your PC components stay cool even under heavy loads. The angled fan blades further enhance this effect by channeling airflow into a focused stream, increasing static pressure for better cooling performance. Quiet operation. One of the standout features of the Neptune N140 is its ability to operate at extremely low noise levels. With a noise rating of just 17.2 dB, this fan is ideal for users who value a quiet computing environment. InWin has carefully engineered the fan to minimize turbulence, resonance, and pitch, resulting in a balanced and silent performance. PWM functionality for dynamic speed control. The Neptune N140 is equipped with PWM technology, allowing the fan to start at 900 RPM and adjust its speed based on system demands. This ensures optimal cooling efficiency while keeping noise levels low during lighter workloads. Aesthetic appeal with RGB lighting. For users who want to add a touch of flair to their PC builds, the Neptune 140 comes with customizable RGB lighting. The vibrant lighting effects can be synchronized with other RGB components, making it a great choice for gamers and PC modders who want to create a visually stunning setup. Secure cable management with Lock and Go design. InWin's innovative Lock and Go cable system features an anti-slide buckle design, ensuring that RGB cable connectors stay securely in place. This not only simplifies cable management but also reduces the risk of loose connections, which can be a common issue in RGB setups. Cons: RGB software dependency. To fully customize the RGB lighting effects, users may need to rely on proprietary software or compatible motherboard utilities. This could be a drawback for those who prefer plug-and-play solutions or have systems that don't support advanced RGB control. The InWin Neptune 140mm RGB PC case fan is a high-performance cooling solution that combines efficient airflow, quiet operation, and eye-catching RGB lighting. Its turbine blade design and PWM functionality make it a strong contender for users seeking reliable cooling for their high-performance systems. Taking the third spot is the Nzxt F140 140mm RGB PC case fan. When it comes to enhancing your gaming setup, the Nzxt F140 140mm RGB PC case fan is a popular choice among enthusiasts. With its customizable lighting, quiet operation, and advanced control options, it offers a blend of aesthetics and functionality. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this case fan. Pros: stunning RGB lighting customization. The Nzxt F140 features 18 individually customizable RGB LEDs, allowing you to create harmonized lighting effects that can transform the look of your gaming setup. Whether you want a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, the fan offers plenty of options to match your style. Quiet operation. One of the standout features of the Nzxt F140 is its whisper-quiet performance. The fan blade design is engineered to balance static pressure and airflow, ensuring efficient cooling without the distracting noise often associated with high-performance fans. This makes it ideal for gamers and professionals who value a quiet environment. Seamless control with Nzxt Cam. The fan integrates with Nzxt Cam software, providing an intuitive way to customize lighting combinations and sync it with other compatible RGB accessories. This centralized control makes it easy to manage your setup's aesthetics and performance from a single platform. Aesthetic appeal. Beyond its functionality, the Nzxt F140 adds a sleek and modern look to any PC build. The RGB lighting and clean design make it a visually appealing addition to your case, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your gaming rig. Cons: noise at higher speeds. Although the fan is designed for quiet operation, some users have reported that it can become noticeably louder when running at higher speeds. This might be a concern for those who prioritize absolute silence during intense gaming or workload sessions. The Nzxt F140 140mm RGB PC case fan is a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to combine style and performance. Its customizable RGB lighting, quiet operation, and seamless control via Nzxt Cam make it a standout option. Coming in at number 2 is the Antec 140mm RGB PC case fan. When it comes to building or upgrading a PC, choosing the right case fan is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and aesthetics. The Antec 140mm RGB PC case fan is a popular choice among enthusiasts, offering a blend of high performance and eye-catching RGB lighting. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this fan to help you decide if it's the right fit for your setup. Pros: high performance. The Antec 140mm RGB PC case fan is designed for efficiency, boasting a maximum airflow of 49.36 cfm cubic feet per minute and a static pressure of 1.3 mm H2O. This makes it suitable for both case ventilation and radiator cooling, ensuring your system stays cool even under heavy loads. The 1210% RPM range provides a balance between performance and noise, making it a reliable choice for most builds. Addressable RGB lighting. With 10 ARGB LEDs and 7 transparent fan blades, this fan adds a vibrant and customizable lighting effect to your PC. The ARGB feature allows you to sync the lighting with other compatible components, creating a cohesive and visually stunning setup. It's perfect for users who want to enhance the aesthetics of their case. Enhanced airflow design. The 140mm diameter of the fan increases the blade width by 25%, resulting in improved airflow and air pressure. This design not only boosts cooling performance but also minimizes resonance, reducing the risk of annoying vibrations that can occur with lower quality fans. PWM control for customizable speeds. The 4-pin PWM connector allows for precise control over the fan speed, ranging from 12 RPM to 14 RPM. This ensures that the fan operates at the most appropriate speed for your system's needs, balancing cooling efficiency and noise levels. Anti-vibration pads for quiet operation. Equipped with 8 anti-vibration rubber pads, this fan effectively reduces noise and vibration. The noise level is kept at a low 25.5 decibels, making it one of the quieter options in its category. This is especially beneficial for users who prioritize a silent PC environment. Cons: limited speed range. While the PWM control is a great feature, the fan's speed range is somewhat limited, maxing out at 1400 RPM. This might not be sufficient for users who require extremely high airflow for overclocked systems or high-performance builds. The Antec 140mm RGB PC case fan is a solid choice for users looking to balance performance, aesthetics, and noise levels. Its high airflow, ARGB lighting, and anti-vibration pads make it a versatile option for most PC builds. And finally, our top pick, the Corsair iCUE F140 140mm RGB PC case fan. The Corsair iCUE F140 140mm RGB PC case fan is a popular choice among PC enthusiasts looking to enhance both the performance and aesthetics of their systems. With its powerful cooling capabilities, customizable RGB lighting, and quiet operation, this fan has garnered attention in the PC building community. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Corsair iCUE F140. Pros: efficient cooling performance. The Corsair iCUE F140 is designed to keep your system cool, even under heavy loads. With PWM-controlled fan speeds ranging from 500 RPM to 17 RPM, it can push up to 89.0 CFM of air with a static pressure of 2.0 H2O. This makes it suitable for a variety of cooling scenarios, whether used as an intake or exhaust fan or mounted on a liquid cooling radiator or heatsink. Customizable RGB lighting. One of the standout features of this fan is its RGB lighting. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, allowing for a wide range of lighting effects and customization. The included iCUE lighting node core controller makes it easy to synchronize and control the lighting of up to 6 RGB fans, creating a visually stunning backdrop for your PC build. Quiet operation. The fan is designed for quiet operation, thanks to its fluid dynamic bearing, which reduces friction and noise. Additionally, the 0 RPM fan mode allows the fan to stop spinning entirely when the system is under low load, eliminating fan noise completely. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment. Corsair AirGuide technology. The fan incorporates Corsair AirGuide technology, which uses anti-vortex vanes to channel airflow more effectively. This improves cooling efficiency, whether the fan is used for intake, exhaust, or mounted on a radiator. The technology ensures that airflow is concentrated and directed where it's needed most. Easy installation and cable management. The inclusion of the iCUE lighting node core controller simplifies the installation process and reduces cable clutter. With simple USB 2.0 and SATA connections, setting up and managing the fan's RGB lighting is straightforward and user-friendly. Cons: bulkier design. The inclusion of RGB LEDs and the fluid dynamic bearing adds some bulk to the fan's design. This may make it slightly more challenging to fit in compact PC cases or setups with limited space. The Corsair iCUE F140 140mm RGB PC case fan is a versatile and visually appealing option for PC builders who want to combine performance with aesthetics. Its efficient cooling, customizable RGB lighting, and quiet operation make it a strong contender in the market.